Okay, y'all, I'm here to talk about the 5 greatest centers of all time in NBA history. Just a quick debate. I just wanted to start this conversation. Number 1, I'm going to go with Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, all-time leader scoring in points, 6-time MVP, 2 times Finals MVP, 6 times champion. Of course, I'm going to go with Kareem, number 1. Number 2, I'm going to go with Wilt Chamberlain, one of the most dominant big mans ever to play in the league. Oh, he dominated. Even though he didn't win as many championships against Bill Russell, he dominated Bill Russell. Bill Russell was good, but he wasn't as dominant as Wilt. Number 3, Bill Russell. Bill Russell is 11-time champion. Can't deny that. Won 11 championships in 13 years. 11-1 in the finals. Best finals record ever. Yeah, MJ 6-0, but Bill Russell is 11-1. It matters how many finals you got, not how many you've been to. But Bill Russell, number 3. Number 4, I'm going to go with Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal is probably the most dominant player ever. Well, in the 3-year stretch. From 2000 to 2002, Shaquille O'Neal was that dude. He dominated every center that he ever played against. Even when he played against a young Shaquille O'Neal, even when he played against Hakeem in the finals in 1995, he still took care of his business. Still, a young Shaquille O'Neal was giving Hakeem the business. Later, when they played in the playoffs, when Hakeem or Shaquille was on, Shaquille O'Neal would play for the Lakers, straight up domination. No competition about it. So I got Shaquille O'Neal, number 4. Number 5, it was close between Hakeem and Moses Malone. It was so close. I was thinking about doing a split, but nah, I'm just giving it to Hakeem Olajuwon. Why? He was the best player. He was the second to best players in the 90s after MJ. But when MJ retired, it was definitely Hakeem Olajuwon was the best player in the NBA. 2-time Finals MVP. Defensive Player of the Year. When he retired, he was top 10. Top 10 in points, steals, blocks, and rebounds. Hakeem Olajuwon, probably the best all-around player ever. Maybe. I don't know. Some people say LeBron. Some people say Hakeem. I don't know. I'm going to go with Hakeem Olajuwon. But yeah, that's my top 5 greatest centers of all times. Y'all just tell me what y'all think about it.